Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to learn about object data type in C Sharp. In C Sharp, the object data type is the base type of all data types. That means every type, int, float, string, etc., ultimately derives from object. Key points. Object is defined in system.object. It can store any type of value. Supports boxing, unboxing. So this boxing and unboxing we'll do the next video. Useful when you don't know the exact data type in advance. Simple understanding. Think of an object like a universal container. It can hold anything, number, text, boolean, etc. Now let's dive into the code. We'll see the examples. First, I'm going to create a console project for object. So I'm selecting the solution explorer. I'm clicking on that and I'm selecting console.app project and I'm giving the name as object data type. So I have selected, and even project also I'm selecting object data type. Okay. Now we'll go with examples one by one. For example, previously we have seen that int r bull r char r double, like this na, like this we have a one is another one is object. For example, object is a data type, so it can store any value like number as well. Object, it can store string values as well. Object, see, it can store decimal values as well, so it can store anything. Just we have to remember, object is we can store any values. Console dot read line. So I'm going to print this and I'm clicking on start button. Look at here, it can store any value. Object A, it can store int value, string value, double value, even decimal value, any value we can store. For example, even we can see few more examples. Okay, I'm commenting these lines. Object value, code with on the even we can store with object. For example, even we can change the value into the same value data type into string to int type. For example, value, carefully understand here, the first line I have used is string values, but in the same object value I have taken a reference stuff. This value in the second line I have stored with 50 because it stores here string values, it stores here int value. Now I'm starting the project. Look at, see that output. See, this is the beauty of the object value type data type. So friends, this is all about object data type in C Sharp. Please like my video, share it with your friends. Thank you.